Everyone, welcome back with another video. How are you? Hope you all are fine. So now in this video I will share with you a new crypto meme coin, and from this coin you can get a very big profit in future. So without wasting our time, we can start the video. So if you are new on my channel, so first of all subscribe my channel and press bell icon for latest videos and notification. So simply we can go to the website. As you can see, the website was open. Join the meme revolution. No utility, who cares, it's all about vibes, and you will can earn a very good passive income from this project. So must join it. The link and detail of this project was available in the description of the video. You can simply go and then join it. So first of all you can see meme coin fund was available. You can see tokenomics breakdown. Total 6.25 billion is the supply of this coin, and you can earn a very good reward because, as you know, meme coin growing very fastly and gives you a big rewards in future, and also you can earn a very good income. So must join it and be the member of this project. As you can see, roadmap ahead, tokenomics breakdown, each and everything was available. Explore our token supply and marketing strategies, each and everything was available, and it's also share with you the journey of this coin and how it's developed and how you can get profitable. So must join it. So as you can see, total supply was 6.2 billion, and because more is always greater, and token utility make it interest again on meme at a time, and you can also making fun or earn money from this project. So it's a good opportunity for you, so must join it. And now it's an important part of a project, as you know, roadmap, and the link of this was available in the description of the video. Must read it to know about how much thing was developed in this project and how much thing you can see in future. So must join it. And the symbol of this project is mojo, as you can see, mojo. And you can see the roadmap detail. First launch q1 was available, then q2 operation global growth was available, then q3, each and everything was available. Must read it to know about how much thing was developed, and upcoming future updates was also mentioned in this roadmap to getting know about how projects work. And now you can see the detail of this project was available. It's a unique crypto project and gives you a big reward, so must join it and be the member of this project. So must join it. And you can see join the Austrian power meme coin revolution. It's a very simple method to purchase it. I will share with you the live chart of this project and the current price. As you can see on Dex scanner, the live chart was showing on the screen. As you can see, it's growing fastly, and it's growing more in future and gives you a big reward, so must join it. As you can see, mojo was available. It's a Solana network based project. Total supply, hard cap, liquidity, each and everything was showing on screen. As you can see, must read it and then join it and be the member of this project. As you can see, the totally detail of this project was available. Must join the social media account of this project, Telegram and Twitter account, to getting more updates and news about this project. It also helps to more you to grow in this community, so must join it and buy it from Dex scanner, or you can buy it from Radium. Simply you can swap it. As you can see, simply confirm it. Mojo coin was showing on screen and live chart was also showing, so you can see the current price and detail of this project. Simply you can connect your wallet from MetaMask and another wallet you have, and then you can easily swap it. As you can see, totally detail was available. Simply connect your wallet and buy it from here. So these are the main opportunity for buying this coin from Radium or Dex scanner. Both opportunities are available, so must join it and be the member of this project. Contract address was also available. Simply copy it and you can go and then buy it. So it's a good time for you. Must join the social media account of this project. So friend, you can see the Telegram community of this project was showing on screen. Must join it and be the member of this project to getting know about more detail of this project and new announcements, and also join the Twitter account of this project. As you can see, Authosian Powers Mojo was available. Must follow it for latest updates and news, and you will get more rewards. So must join it and you can earn more money. So hopefully you will know each and everything about this project. So must join it and be the member of this project. It's a good opportunity for you to get a big reward, and meme coins growing very fastly. So if you like this video, so must subscribe my channel, press bell icon for latest videos. Hope we will be meet in next video.